See, fortunately, with all this treatment, all these years in 92, I've been taking, my eyes are saved, I have no numbers, nothing except reading. So, one has to be very careful to go check up. So, in this case of retinopathy, they give lasers, laser treatment. You take it and your eyes are, retinas are saved, the eyes are saved. Even glaucoma, I don't have. Cataracts I have not developed so far. But it will come. Cataracts is normal, it will come. Then, second thing I got into trouble with, brain damage. Because as I told you, the capillaries. And see, one thing, sugar in a diabetic is never normal. Either it is on lower side or higher side. And I call diabetes double-edged sword. It kills if it is low, if it is high, also it kills. But high takes long time to kill or bother. While low sugar can put you into coma in half an hour, 45 minutes. Suppose if I have low sugar now, immediately from bag I will take 4 packets of sugar and eat it. I would know, because symptoms will start coming. Without symptoms, nothing happens actually, except a couple of things in the body. It can take life. Otherwise, nothing happens. All signal God has created. But if you ignore, then you are in trouble. So here again, one more good thing happened during my course of trial and other things, and being in Bombay also. I was Junior Chamber Chairman of Records Committee of Greater Bombay. That is called mainland. In that time, Aditya Birla came from Calcutta to settle down in Bombay. So as a Junior Chamber member, we thought he's the richest man of India, young entrepreneur, we should give him an award and arrange a function. So we decided that. At the same time, I decided to invite my friend who became Miss World, so that it is more glamorous event. And that was done at the Taj President Hotel that time. And it went on very well. Then I became friendly with Aditya Birla. That was my good break. Now, to keep up with him was not easy. As you know, these people are surrounded by so many people and all that. But I managed, and he liked me also probably to keep with me, make me as a friend. And till he died, unfortunately, at a young age, and suddenly we remained friends. But friends, he told me a lot of time to do some business. I did a lot of things for him. Which he wanted to compensate. I said, no, in friendship, I don't take money. Although I'm a small man, whatever I've done, whatever I could do, I've done it, but not for money. So we remained friends, and it was very nice relationship. He took me a couple of times to tour Europe with his family, holidays like that and all. And even now his father, Mr. B.K. Birla, invites me and we meet and all that. Is going, but because of him and because with him, I have a lot of contacts developed worldwide. So today, if you see my business card, I'm a global representative, and my work is global, worldwide. So during that and after that, touring 16 times so far outside India, 16 trips I've made a lot of friends, a lot of work I did, a lot of new work I did apart from my own running business, developed more and more. In almost every country you can think of, and everywhere you can think of, and all the friends that I made are still friends. 70s to till today. Some of them men, some of them women, married, unmarried, children. I keep up. They come to India, I go there, I treat them, they treat me. I go with the family. Like it has become like family everywhere. So I'm very, very proud of my contact, which I have developed during 45 years. And in India, my trips have been numerous, means I have lost the count of it. And in every mode, not only by aeroplane, train, tram, bus, train, whatever available, whatever necessary I have. And the best part, never missed single flight, tram, train or bus. Second thing, never lost pen, pencil or bag, leave, passport, money anywhere, nothing. Not looted, not cheated, thank God. So all this is alertness. I think this is alertness, practice, whatever you call it. So, and punctuality. Punctuality is a process of perfectness. Learned that. Nowhere I have been late. I have not missed any flight, tram, train or bus or meetings. Like today I was 15 minutes earlier. I like that way. It's not that I'm compelled. It can happen, but as far as possible. Your commitment should be that. So, Now, of course, I have more time, busy time. But when I was busy, my next brother was sitting in the next chamber had to call me to ask me whether he can come and see me. So that was the time. My wife used to keep my bag ready. When I for 2 days back, yes, going, just leave in suitcase. 4 days back, this 4 days. 7 days is 7 days. Like that. So everybody, the family helps you. You then understand and do it. Follow your doctors. And most of the time you find any difficulty in you, run to doctor.
So you will tell us something about symptoms. So
Yeah.
there are certain symptoms which will show you that you are going to ask for some trouble. In case of sugar.
Like I told you about low sugar. Right?
What are the symptoms?
Like the low sugar
What is
like-
signal?
Yeah, I will give you. Low sugar means, as I told you, in 30 to 45 minutes one can go in coma, depending on the level of sugar. Now, first symptom, you will get perspiration. Second, heartbeat will go fast. Third, double vision. Fourth, you will feel like you are drunk. If somebody says, "Piki aaya hai, isko kuch pila hai," because you will not be able to speak all over. And sometimes, some diabetic, in spite of having sugar in the pocket or the bag, have no strength to lift the bag and take the sugar and eat it. Or tell the next door gentleman or whoever is next that give me sugar. But for that, every diabetic I tell that always be open and tell everybody you are a diabetic. What is that? If I would not have told my two father-in-law for diabetic, he would not have known for 10 years. And I would not cheated. But then my conscience would not permit me. See, it is always fair to be open-minded. Whatever you have, you talk it out and tell people. One of my bank chairman, small bank, he was driving and his friend was there, going to Gujarat. He didn't tell his friend he's a diabetic. He didn't have his breakfast. He had taken his medicine on insulin and driving. Then sugar started going down and he lost the control. And he died. See, this is many examples are there of low sugar diabetic who have suffered like this. So it is best to tell the companion of yours, whoever is with you, however is with you, that I am a diabetic. Give me sugar. Even I tell my driver, don't think I have come drunk from Taj. Give me sugar. Even if I am drunk, okay, give me sugar. So it will be fine. And this to happen, to avoid this, I have done a lot of tricks to eat at what time, what and what not. But still, in 48 years I got twice this. Very bad. This is called hypoglycemia, low sugar, which can really take life. But I fortunately came out once because my friend was with me who knew about it. So he brought me 3, 4, 5 packets of sugar from their hotel and pumped them. And then he came to drop me home in a way, in his car. So like that. And once I was alone and I don't know, God knows how I managed. I was totally like drunk, and I had no sense of anything. And I called a cab from Oberoi, I reached home, I didn't realize, I fell down again. But my wife knew naturally, you must, whatever they can drink, but sugar. And immediately my daughter just started giving sugar. The morning was normal. So, these are the precautions one has to take it outside. As I told you, all in all you will get the signal. Anything happening. But sometimes God is really cruel. And as I told you, this is a silent killer. Now coming to kidneys, which you must be reading often happening to people, kidney. And diabetics are the most highest victim of kidney problem. Renal failure, kidney failure. And to get a kidney is not a joke at all. And transplants and all are very huge thing to happen. Of course, it has happened. A lot of people have been surviving. But ultimately it's not easy at all to get one. And any transplant for that matter, any organ is not easy. So, what care you can take of kidney? Nothing. Only when your creatinine shows in the blood that your kidneys are dysfunctional. At that time it is too late. God has not given you any signal. But He has given you one signal to control your sugar. Always. If you have not done it, it has hurt you. Or sometime bad luck, something happens, I don't know. Even doctors know. But once they realize that your kidneys are dysfunctional, then it is very difficult to come out of it or transplant. Transplantation is very difficult, which I know. A lot of patients come to me, we talk, we go. It is very difficult. It is not easy to get at all. Neither the family members are ready to give. But God has given two kidneys. Actually two. One to gift. If people understand, if people have guts, like we donate blood. Nothing will happen if you donate one good kidney, if you have healthy kidney to anybody. But how many people would dare to give? No, something will happen to me then. My one kidney will. Indira Gandhi ji was giving his one kidney. One of